Are you looking to save money on your homeowner's insurance? Homeowner's insurance, for those who may be new to the term, is a form of property insurance that covers losses and damages to an individual's house and assets in the home. It's like a safety net, protecting you from financial loss if disaster strikes. Now you might be thinking, well, that sounds pretty important. And you'd be right. Homeowner's insurance is crucial for anyone who owns a home. It provides a sense of security and peace of mind, knowing that you won't be left in the cold if something unexpected happens. But let's be clear, crucial doesn't have to translate to costly. There are ways to ensure you're getting the most bang for your buck when it comes to insuring your home. After all, why overpay for something when you don't have to? Stick around to learn how you can save money on your homeowner's insurance. Let's talk coverage. First and foremost, understanding your coverage is key. It's like knowing the ingredients in your favorite dish. Each element plays a crucial role in the final outcome. Let's delve into the different types of coverage that exist for homeowners insurance. The first one is dwelling coverage. This is the foundation of your policy. It covers the physical structure of your home and any attached structures, such as a garage. If a storm tears off your roof or a fire ravages your kitchen, dwelling coverage steps in to cover the cost of repairs or rebuilding. Next, we have personal property coverage. Imagine flipping your house upside down and shaking it. Everything that falls out, your furniture, electronics, clothing, even your prized collection of antique teapots. That's what personal property coverage protects. If your belongings are stolen or damaged, this coverage can help replace them. Then there's liability coverage. This is your safety net for when life throws curveballs. If someone gets injured on your property, or you unintentionally damage someone else's property, liability coverage can help with the associated costs. It can cover anything from medical bills to legal fees, shielding you from potential financial calamity. Additional living expenses coverage is another important type. If your home becomes uninhabitable due to a covered loss, this coverage can help pay for your temporary living expenses, such as hotel bills or restaurant meals. But here's the catch. Not every homeowner needs every type of coverage. For instance, if you live in a condo, you may not need as much dwelling coverage. If you're a minimalist with few possessions, you might not need hefty personal property coverage. Understanding what each coverage offers allows you to tailor your policy to your specific needs, ensuring you only pay for what you need. So take a moment to examine your current coverage. Are you paying for protections you don't need? Or are there gaps that could leave you exposed to financial risk? Unravel the complexities of your policy, and you could uncover opportunities to save. Remember, understanding your coverage helps you avoid paying for what you don't need. It's the first step towards smarter, more cost-effective homeowners insurance. Next up, don't be afraid to shop around. When it comes to homeowners insurance, loyalty doesn't always pay. It's essential to cast your net wide and explore your options. Just like you wouldn't buy the first car you see in the lot, don't settle for the first insurance quote you get. You see, insurance companies have unique algorithms to calculate risk and decide on the premium you'll have to pay. These algorithms consider various factors such as your home's age, location, construction type, and even your credit score. As these factors are weighed differently by each insurance company, rates can vary widely. Think of it this way. Imagine you're at a farmer's market. Each stall has a different price for the same basket of apples. By taking the time to walk around, compare prices, and maybe even haggle a bit, you could end up saving a significant amount of money. The same principle applies to shopping for homeowners insurance. Now, I know what you're thinking. Shopping around sounds like a lot of work, but don't worry, it's not as daunting as it seems. Thanks to the digital age, you don't have to physically visit each insurance company or spend hours on the phone. Numerous online platforms can help you compare quotes from various companies at the click of a button. But remember, cheaper isn't always better. While comparing quotes, it's crucial to ensure you're comparing apples to apples. Look beyond the price tag. Consider factors like coverage limits, deductibles, and the company's reputation for customer service and claim handling. And don't be shy to negotiate. If you find an insurance policy you like but the premium is a bit steep, talk to the insurer. They may be willing to tweak the terms or apply discounts to secure your business. To wrap it up, shopping around for homeowners insurance can be a smart move. It can be the difference between a good deal and a great one. Whether you're a first-time home buyer or have been in your home for years, it's never too late to start. Never settle for the first quote you get. Shopping around could save you hundreds of dollars each year. Now let's talk about discounts and deductibles. two words that can significantly sway the cost of your homeowner's insurance. First up, discounts. Who doesn't love a good discount, right? The good news is many insurance companies offer them. This is their way of rewarding you for behaviors that reduce risk. It's like a pat on the back for being a responsible homeowner. So, what kinds of behaviors might get you this pat on the back? Well, for starters, home safety features. If your home is equipped with smoke detectors, burglar alarms, sprinkler systems, and the like, you're in for some savings. These features reduce the likelihood of damage or loss, and insurance companies appreciate that. Next, we have bundling policies. If you have more than one policy with the same company, say auto and homeowners insurance, you could be eligible for a discount. It's a win-win situation. You get all your insurance needs met in one place and save money to boot. Then, there's the no-claims discount. If you've gone a certain period without filing a claim, some insurers may reward you with a discount. It signifies that you're less of a risk and therefore less costly to insure. Now let's pivot to deductibles. A deductible is the amount you pay out of pocket before your insurance kicks in. Choosing a higher deductible can lower your premium. It's like a financial seesaw. As your deductible goes up, your premium goes down. But here's the kicker. You need to ensure you can comfortably afford the deductible in case you need to file a claim. It's a delicate balancing act, deciding on the right deductible. So, there you have it. A quick rundown of discounts and deductibles. Remember, insurance companies may not always advertise these discounts. It's up to you to ask. And when it comes to deductibles, consider carefully. Always ask about discounts and consider your deductible carefully. These factors can greatly affect your insurance cost. Finally, make it a habit to review your policy regularly. Now you might wonder, why is that necessary? Well, the answer is quite simple. Life changes, and so do your insurance needs. It's like how you would want to update your wardrobe as per the changing seasons. Your insurance policy too needs a regular checkup. Think of it this way. If you've added a room to your house, installed a high-end security system, or maybe even bought a trampoline for your children, your homeowner's insurance needs to reflect these changes. These alterations in your home can significantly affect your coverage needs and the cost of your insurance. So let's delve a little deeper into this. If you've carried out major renovations in your home, you may need to increase your coverage to ensure that your policy fully covers the new additions. On the other hand, if you've downsized or sold off some valuables, you might find that you're paying for more coverage than you need. And it's not just about home improvements. Major life events, such as marriage, divorce, or retirement, can also impact your insurance needs. For instance, if you've recently tied the knot, you might need to increase your coverage to include your spouse's belongings. The key is to review your policy at least once a year. This will help you stay on top of things and ensure that your coverage matches your current needs. Don't forget to also review your policy after any significant life event or home improvement. You see, insurance isn't a set-it-and-forget-it deal. It's a dynamic process that should adapt to your changing circumstances. Regular reviews can help you eliminate unnecessary coverage, add needed protection, and potentially save a lot of money. Remember, the goal here isn't just about saving money, but also about ensuring you're adequately covered. After all, what good is an insurance policy if it doesn't provide the protection you need when you need it most? Regularly reviewing your policy ensures you're not overpaying and still have the right coverage. Let's quickly recap what we've learned today. We kicked things off by understanding your coverage. It's crucial to know what's included in your policy and what's not, ensuring you're not overinsured or underinsured. Next, we dove into the importance of shopping around. By comparing quotes from different companies, you can find a policy that offers the best value for your needs. We then explored the world of discounts and deductibles. Remember, discounts can come from anywhere, from installing a security system to bundling your insurance. As for deductibles, a higher deductible often means lower premiums, but you must be ready to pay that amount out of pocket if a claim arises. Finally, we discussed the significance of regular policy reviews. As your life changes, so should your policy. Regular reviews can help ensure your coverage matches your current needs. By following these steps, you can save money on your homeowner's insurance. Remember, it's not about paying less, but about paying right.